What is going on?
Slime press.
Ooh.
We should have thought this through. Time's up. What's up, Peaches? It's me, Peachy Queen here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, we're doing another extreme slime challenge, green versus orange challenge. Ooh. So as you can see here, I am team green and
I am team orange.
Yup. Who do you
And
guys
I'm gonna win.
Who do you guys think is gonna win? Team green or team orange?
No, so far the score is 1-1. So I gotta win this one, guys.
We'll
Cheer
see.
me on.
Cheer me on. But anyways, this video is sponsored by The Coldest Water. It's definitely good for us to stay hydrated during challenges like these.
I know the weather is getting hot in our area.
So why not stay hydrated with The Coldest Water? It actually keeps your water cold. All of the links for The Coldest Water bottle will be in the description box down below.
And make sure to use code Peachy to get 10% off your entire order.
Yup, that's P-E-A-C-H-Y. And anyways, make sure to give this video a big, giant, slimy thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Share this video. Hit that notification bell. And check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And now, let's get on with this challenge. We only have 1 gallon of glue, so I'm going to fill up our bowls here with some of it first. Ooh.
There it is.
I hope that's equal. It looks like it, right, Peaches? And guess what? We only have 5 minutes to make our colored slimes here. We have all of our ingredients just in our color. Look at all my green stuff. Ooh.
And this is our mixing tool.
Yep, we have mixing tools that match our color.
I hope this works.
It should.
Guys, we're not using borax for this one. For the activator, we're gonna try
Detergent.
Yeah, if it doesn't work, then we'll switch to the
borax.
borax.
Fresh bottle of borax here. All right, do you think you can do this in 5 minutes?
I hope so.
Me too. All right, guys, we're starting the challenge in 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. What do I do first? I'm going to add in color. Okay, a little green food coloring. Oh, that's not gonna get us far. Paint. Make it nice and green.
Okay, this is food coloring.
And this is green apple scent. You guys can barely see it, but that's it. Okay, what next? I'm gonna go ahead and add my pigment already. Just a little bit of pigment.
And this is blood orange scent.
Okay, I'm gonna mix that all together. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Mix that through. Ooh, this smells so good. Oh. Pigment. So you can smell that apple.
And I have a little orange pigment.
Okay, looks good so far to me. Yes, come through. Let's start activating now.
This.
I'm gonna add in my detergent. Ooh. I haven't used detergent for slime in a long time. Ooh, show them.
Look at that. That doesn't look that good. What is going on?
You should have mixed your color before adding detergent. I haven't used detergent in a while, so I don't know how strong it is. But we're gonna see today.
We're gonna find out,
right? Look at that. I'm mixing it through.
All right, guys. We need more paint in there.
Keep mixing.
More color. Come on.
What am I gonna do next? Maybe I'll do some clay. Ooh, let me do a little bit of glitter in there. Glitter. Yep. Okay.
Look at it, guys. It's coming through.
3 minutes and 20 seconds, everyone. Uh-oh. Come on, we're not even to the kneading process yet. Ooh, I'm getting detergent all over me.
I don't think this detergent is gonna work.
I know, it's not strong. Well, it's somewhat coming together.
but I don't know.
Now it's all soapy and whatnot. Maybe I'll have to add a little more time. Uh-oh. Look how soapy mine is getting. Should I go in with my hands? We might have to save this slime.
I'm gonna put glitter.
Because I don't know what's happening.
How do I open this? I'm not gonna fiddle with that. I'm just gonna...
Detergent, you need to come through before we replace you with borax. This is just,
all right, guys, look at that.
I don't know. So I have a nice slime so far. I just need it to activate.
My slime Kind of looks like some type of.
This
I don't
cannot
know
be
what.
a fail. Ooh, not the water bottle. Getting all twisted. Okay. Coming together somewhat.
I think we're gonna switch to borax.
Okay,
guys.
yeah.
This is not working.
That's a smart idea because that's wasting our time.
I know. Oh, over borax.
And it took away from my scent. Where's the green
Look at that.
apple? Now it just smells like detergent. I'm gonna need, guys. I have to need it.
Ooh. Guys, this thing.
1 minute and 40 seconds.
Oh gosh. This is not working, guys.
We should have thought this through.
I think it needs more borax.
Help me! I need borax. Help!
Here.
Help! Because my hands are sticky and I don't want to get the thing messy. Thank you, thank you.
You see? How can I be helping you? This is a child. Oh!
Oh, 1 minute left. Okay, thanks.
They can't even see my slime.
It's covered by your stuff. Okay, clay.
It's all buried back.
Let's do this one. It matches my slime the
This
most.
is not working, guys. Look at that.
The stress level.
I'm all caught up in this.
Can't even get the clay out. We have 40 seconds.
Oh my god. I can't. Yes, just
We messed up. 30 seconds. Okay, hold on.
No, I was gonna add this crunchy slime to it. Oh gosh. I can't get myself out of this
Glitter. Oh. Well, there's your glitter. 20
What
seconds
is
left.
going on here? Wait.
Why is my clay so hard? Well, we have some. Oh, now you're adding that slime in?
I don't know what slime I'm making. I'm just trying to put. Oh,
Scent.
I can't open it. Forget that.
Activator alert.
I cannot. Oh my gosh. How much? We should have done it. Guys, I'm all caught up on this slime. It won't let me go. What the heck?
Did the timer go off?
I don't know.
It's done.
I don't know.
5 minutes is over.
Oh my gosh. This is such a mess, guys.
This was the most chaotic.
You guys can barely see.
This is the most chaotic challenge we've done. Oh
We should
no.
She's the one that said 5 minutes. We should have done 10 minutes.
Hey, but 5 minutes makes it more fun. A little rush.
Oh gosh.
Slime rush time.
But look at this, guys. This is a pretty. It reminds me of something. I just can't remember the name. Look at that, guys. Ooh, this is actually a good slime.
I didn't even use any foam beads. The panic.
I can't get into that clay.
We are going to do 1 more minute just for the sake of making a better slime, okay? 3, 2, 1, start. All right, I think I want to do some foam beads. Will that look good? Yeah. We're gonna have some broccoli slime here. Do you guys like broccoli? A lot of people don't like eating broccoli, but broccoli's actually good if you season it and cook it well. Delicious. Look at that. Yes. These foam beads are nice. Add a little crunch to the slime. Little activator.
Out.
What is happening?
The thing is not coming out.
Okay.
This is so.
The struggle. 28 seconds.
Oh,
You gotta hurry.
no. I'm not ready.
I think my slime is good. I wish it had more apple scent, but I feel like it's not coming through that detergent. Okay, hold on. Let's grab some of this in here. 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
I made it.
All right.
Oh, look at this.
So we're finished.
Yep.
I think my slime is good. Woo! This was a lot.
Look at that.
Why is your section so messy?
It is messy.
Mine's nice and clean.
Because I just can't deal with that clay. It was...
I know, I was struggling too. Look at this, look. Look at the struggle to get the clay out. Please.
But I think this is a good slime. Look at it. It's nice and stretchy, colorful, right? Shimmery.
Oh,
Yes, guys.
no, look at mine. Mine has texture, a bright, fun color, stretchy. It has some bubble pops, pokeable, scented, very nice and fun. Glittery. Yep.
How many ingredients do you use?
I'm told I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ingredients. How many did you use in
I
total?
used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So far, whose side are you on? Team green or team orange?
Team orange. Look at that, guys.
Somehow my slime feels fluffy, but I didn't put any shaving cream in it. All right, let's switch slimes. Okay, I can smell your scent. That's good. It's a little,
called blood orange.
it's a
Whatever that
little
means.
underactivated. It feels like it needs a little bit of borax though.
No, it doesn't. Look at this. Okay.
See, you were sticking to yours, but you're not sticking to mine.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Ooh, or maybe you are.
It does feel like a fluffy slime.
Uh-huh.
Did you put clay?
Mm-hmm.
So
Did
why
you
does
put
it-
clay
I
in
did.
yours? I don't know why mine feels like a fluffy slime. I didn't add shaving cream.
Well-
You're enjoying my slime over there.
Yeah, it
More
is.
than yours. More than yours.
It is a good slime. I like the texture of it. Mine is kind of crunchy too. Can you feel the crunch?
Wait, let's see. Pretty good. Yours is more clicky than mine, I think.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I agree.
Let's try to make bubbles. Ready?
Oh, a mini one.
Look at that. Diva broccoli slime. That's what I'm naming my slime.
Okay.
What's your slime? Pumpkin spice?
Pumpkin spice mixed with carrot cake. Look at that. Look at that, guys.
Slime press!
Ooh.
To
Okay,
me.
let's stretch it.
Ready? Stretching challenge. Anyways, you guys saw us in this hectic challenge, but it was super fun for us, and we also hope that it was fun for you guys.
And let us know if you want us to keep doing these challenges.
Yeah? Yeah, you guys already know what to do, and make sure to check out all of the coldest water bottle links down in the description box down below. And use code Peachy, which is PEACHY, for 10% off your orders. And we'll see you all next time. Love y'all. Bye.
Bye,